Hey, I'm Alex. I'm a junior here at Belmont University, and I am a Psychology and Neuroscience double major. Service is really awesome just because it's a chance for undergraduate students to get their first research experience and do a project over the course of 6 weeks and figure out what sort of scientific questions we have and where we want to continue within our careers here at Belmont. We've been doing EEG research, which is electric encephalography, and we are basically measuring electronic responses in the brain to certain stimuli when they're shown to you. And we do this by putting that cool little net on somebody's head, and we plug it in. It measures brain responses while they perform tasks on a computer. And so with my specific task, I'm measuring working memory specifically and how someone's brain adapts to distractors and different levels of interference. And overall, what I'm looking to find is which parts of the brain are involved. The part of it that was the most surprising to me in a good way was that it was hands-on from day one. We got to immediately start learning about what we would be researching. We got to work on developing our own ideas. It was a very collaborative environment, which I was surprised about because I thought it was gonna be a little more like an individual, everyone kind of has their own project, everyone's on their own timeline, but it's really everyone was working together, and it was overall just a very collaborative environment. Seeing my idea go from such a small little fragment of like a random question I kind of had before I walked into the room for the first day to now being several weeks in and having discussion and results pages laid out, now having to draw some conclusions from it, it's overall just been a very rewarding experience that somebody who was not interested in STEM before could never have imagined doing, but I'm here and it's been awesome and great.